All people toss orange peels in the garbage without a second thought. But did you know that orange peels contain nutrients and phytonutrients that are extremely beneficial to the skin and can heal many skin conditions? In fact, orange peel extract is an ingredient in many beauty products today because of its effectiveness in brightening skin and reducing acne. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods, food and beauty tips, healthy recipes and juice, please subscribe to our channel and share your friends. Depression and anxiety. Orange oil can be used to naturally relieve anxiety and depression by taking a bath or rubbing just a bit on the temple and forehead area. Weight loss. Oranges are low in calories, which is one reason they are a great addition to a weight loss diet. And they are filled with dietary fiber, which controls your appetite and discourages binging. Orange peels also contain vitamin C that is known to help burn fat. Improves eye health. Though there is less information on this, some sources say that compounds like limonene, decanol, and chitrol in orange peels can help boost eye health. They have anti-inflammatory properties that fight infections and improve vision. Help fight inflammation. One New York study shows how orange peel exhibits excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Further research tells us how orange peels can suppress inflammation in a way similar to indomethacin, an anti-inflammatory drug. Also, the flavonoids in orange peels are known to permeate membranes and heal inflammation. Boost heart health. Orange peel contains a compound called nobiletin, which has been found to lower a person's risk of inflammation and heart disease. Makes skin glow. Orange peel is considered a boon for the skin as it treats blackheads, dead cells, acne, and blemishes. It also brightens your face. You can also add milk or curd to get that extra glow or for removing tan. Lowers bad cholesterol. The nobiletin present in orange peel also exerts a positive influence on your health by lowering levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, in the body. Enhanced digestive health. The fiber in the fruit peel aids digestion and promotes regularity. Studies also show how citrus fruit peels, in general, have been used since ancient times to treat digestive disorders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great and healthy day. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods, food and beauty tips, and health recipes, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment and share.